Good morning, good people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm just running kind of tight here this morning. Hey, welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. You guys know not to fall for spam in the comment section. You guys know I don't have a WhatsApp, Telegram. You guys know not to fall for that, right? Hey, today is Monday. Today is Monday. Yes, it is Moo Moo Monday, but it's Monday, the day after Super Bowl. And man, that Chris Stapleton, that country boy, whoa that song out, boy. He put them gospel runs in there. And the land of the free. Man, he killed it. It was a good game, good matchup. I thought, I'm not the biggest sports buff, but I thought it was a good game, a good matchup. I think everything went well except the commercials. All the commercials were like, duds. Hey, good morning, good morning. Hey, we know we got CPI coming tomorrow. We're going to go right into opening bell. We're going to see what the market is telling us today. You guys know where I stand as far as this market is concerned. I believe in the micro, small, or short term that we could have a slight bounce. We're just going to take this day by day. But this week, we are going to trust the data. We're going to trust the data. We're going to see what CPI, Consumer Price Index, tell us. We're going to just simply wait. We're not going to try to guess. Why? Why guess? If it comes in high inflation, you guys know the market will go down. That's tomorrow morning, CPI. I always go live with the CPI numbers. So I'll see if I go live with it tomorrow. If it comes in high, the market will start to go down. Okay. But in the macro environment, long term, I still believe, and I hate to just be with the crowd. This will be, if we go into a deeper recession, this will be the most publicized deeper recession or recession ever. But I dare you to find anybody on YouTube that has been stressing more caution than I have in as it pertains to your investing, because I'm still well over 85% cash. I'm still 90% cash now. All of those short-term grabs that I did over the last couple of weeks, I just have that cash locked and loaded and ready. And Larry, what happens if you're wrong? So be it. I hope I am wrong. I hope we don't go into a deeper recession. That's not what I want. I don't want us to go into a deeper recession, but you got to make a plan. You have to have a plan. And so I don't want to risk all my money being in the market right now. I'm looking at the 2 and the 10 year, especially the 2-year bond yields, right? And it's too high. It's got to come down, right? Or the 10 year has to go up. It's just one or the other. The data show that there's a big problem looming. Okay, we're going to go on an opening bell, and then I'm going to speak with a few of you guys this morning. All right, let's see what the opening bell is telling us.
Remarks to reassure the partners about market share gains in IB and trading. And by the way, Goldman this last week or the week before cut its forward recession odds from 35 to 25.
Yes. The economic strategy team has been much more in that direction, believing no landing, really.
Let's get the opening bell here in the CNBC Real-Time Exchange with the big board. It's Chart Industries, manufacturer of engineering equipment for energy and biomedical. At the NASDAQ, Fashion Innovation, a platform connecting fashion and entrepreneurs. It sort of reminds us of Ralph Lauren today. B of A ups to buy. Meantime, Cowen cuts Capri. Sort of a mixed picture in retail right now, Mike, given questions about consumer and then the disparate outcomes regarding inventory.
Exactly. I think.
Somebody said more job cuts. That's what the Fed wants. That's his job right now. Job cuts, job cuts, job cuts. That's what he wants. All right. So much cheering for what? You know, that's the truth. The market literally could be tanking by 800, 900 points. The Dow could be 900 points down. S&P dropping by 2%, and they'll still be like, yay. They're cheering because they get to ring the bell, right? They're not cheering for the market, to clarify, right? Hey, good morning. Good morning. Stop loss kicked me out of Tesla. Hold on one second. What did you say? Stop loss kick, bell went off. Hopefully it's in profit. If your stop loss kicked you out, let's see. Look at that. We'll take that for a morning, right? If your stop loss kicked you out and you're in profit, thank your stop loss, right? Say thank you to your stop loss. Morning, mommy trader. Enjoyed your live yesterday. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Bro McGee. Good morning. Yep. Like it's church. Hey, remember on yesterday, I was talking about look at the way we were celebrating. And I was just my morning message yesterday was just be thankful. Be thankful to your creator like you're being thankful to your favorite team. All right. Go back and check that out. Yesterday's video. All right. What else? It's all about the bell. All right. Jersey in the house with a cup of coffee. Jersey, man, I hope this coffee thing goes through for me, all right? We're 6 minutes in. I'm not going to be long because I will be. Good morning. Good morning. Yep. There you go. Stop loss. That's right. Use your tools. Use your tools. It helps you, right? Yep. S&P is higher. Everything is a little higher this morning, but we know, hey, blessings. We know how this thing goes, right? We know how this morning bell goes, right? We know that it may not end green. Just because it opens green does not mean that it's going to end green. Where's my desk at? Let me see. Nope, I got here. This is what I want to do. How do I do this? Ascending. This is what we want. We don't want this, right? No, we don't want the day to end like that. We want the day to end like that, right, good people? That's what we want. Hey, I paid all this money for this desk. I'm going to use it. All right. So we were looking for any signs from the Super Bowl to see if there were any hot plays to get in. The one sign that was for sure that there was a strong push by GM for EVs. I went to the auto show and let me see if I can pull this up. I went to the auto show and let me tell you, BMW has a car that I'm telling you, it blows Tesla away. And I'll tell you, I was one of the first to drive a Lucid. So I went out to Phoenix and I drove a Lucid Motors, the Lucid Air. I drove Teslas, and a Tesla is so basic. Not the stock, the car itself, right? So you can go into a store or Walgreens or whatever. It could be packed, but the stock could be doing horribly. I just want you to know that. But if you look at the price point, this BMW, I went to a charity event here in the Chicagoland area, Chicago Auto Show, and I went the day before. I'm going to see if I can show you guys this, man, because this BMW is a game changer. It is an absolute game changer. Let's see if I could pull this up for y'all. Let's see. Is it going to let me pull it up? Look at that. Look at that, good people. This is playing from my phone. Look at that. That's a BMW all electric. 325 miles on a charge. And that baby, woo, look at that. Luxury. Just luxury in and out, good people. I took this with my cell phone. The headlights were just, when they on, it just looks like something from outer space. Look at that. And that's 91 for a BMW. So 91 for a BMW and all electric. uh, you can say what you want to, but I'm just telling you that, man. And then they allow you to, you can test drive it. You can't drive it yourself, but inside, because there's no emissions, you can drive around. And I'm telling you, you guys remember I was saying, when you see me in a Tesla bought it? Nah, baby, buy. You gonna see me in that Beamer. I mean, for the price point for a Beamer, the luxury a Tesla is, and I'm not hating on Tesla. Somebody gonna say, "Oh, he's hating on Tesla now." I plan on being heavily invested in Tesla. Right? This has nothing to do with the stock price. But what I'm telling you guys is, and I'm gonna say it early, I'm gonna say it often, I'm gonna say it now. Tesla has modeled itself where you can see a Tesla from miles around, even in a pile of cars. But what GM is doing with these trucks, and I'm not a truck dude, but let me tell you, I will drive that truck. They got so many electric trucks that look nice. A lot of them looks nicer than the Cybertruck. And I'm just telling you, competition is coming. Yeah, it may take 7 years, right? But competition is coming. And Tesla has to do something for the luxury, because Tesla sells as a luxury automobile. But when you drive a Tesla and get in it, it is as basic as it comes. It's plain Jane. It's not luxury interior. But that Beamer, I'm just telling you. We just discussing this, good people. Yep. Hey, no, that I talked to them. That software, hey, the software, they updating just like Tesla did. I'm going to tell you guys something about this whole EV race. Let me tell you guys, and I know some of you guys worship Tesla. Let me just tell you. The legacy car companies had this technology way before Tesla did. They just didn't use it, right? They just didn't use it. Let's tell the truth, because they were in bed with the oil companies. It's just the truth. Y'all want to hear the truth? That's why y'all come here. I'm going to tell you the truth, whether you like it or not. It was just like Google with the AI, right? With the chat GPT. Google been had it. But then they let a small Bing, really? You let a smaller company come and force you to be quick to the market. And so that's what's happening with the GMs and Fords now. Now they got to go, okay, you got us. All right, we got to get these cars out because these EVs are winning now, when they've been had the technology. And so that's the truth of the matter. And so we got to look at this, and you best believe, for me, a lot of my EV stock, even in my $5 a day now, Ford and GM. And I'm going to get into some more, but I could tell you right now, the only reason why I did not get an EV is because I was waiting on something. If I'm going to pay that price point, I want a little luxury in that car. And so I just got in that Tesla. I drove it. I like the performance. I like the fact that you could flip the bird at gas stations. I like all of that. But the fact of the matter is, you guys know they got the Teslas. It's basic, okay? I'm just telling you. Now, they're killing it with the margins. Now, if these legacy car makers really do this thing right and increase their margins, okay, that's what the investors want. That's what the shareholders want. Then they're going to slowly start getting more and more and more market share. Why? They don't have to spend all of this money building out all of these gigafactories. They have to build lithium or battery factories, which Ford is going to be announcing something probably in the next week about their new battery facility. I believe they're going to start with 3.5 billion. Let's just check on that. And I didn't mean to get in to talk about all that, good people. Yeah. I mean, it's the truth. Yep, it's the truth. But to be able to get a BMW tricked out as much as this thing is, I can't do it any justice, and to still be at 91. Yeah, it's yeah. That Chevy Silverado, bruh. Johnny, I'm telling you, I'm not a truck guy, but man, that Chevy Silverado was ridiculous. I'm like, I'm that dude now. You know, you're gonna see me like a rock with a truck with a bed on it. Get me a hat. I'll switch up in a minute on y'all. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's true. The real luxury vehicles are the real luxury EVs are in China. I saw one from China. It was crazy. Yeah, it was crazy luxurious. And it blows out everything. As a matter of fact, the Li Auto, man, you talk about a nice car. That Li Auto is a nice car. I'm just not. I'm just not. That's right. Yup. You'll see me with a hat on talking about like a rock. They were like, Larry, gone country. Yep. I'll be playing some Chris Stapleton. Yep. That boy can sing, man. I don't care what y'all say. That boy, Chris Stapleton, that boy. Woo! Did y'all see him with Stevie Wonder? Did y'all see him last week on the American, what was it, the music awards? I hate all of that devil worshiping crap. That I'm sorry, that all that devil worshiping crap. You can have all of that, but Stevie Wonder, Chris Stapleton, come on, Smokey Robinson, they got down, and I cut it off after that. All right, so thoughts on Neo? You know, I haven't been really following Neo. Neo's not my thing. Over a year and a half ago, I had a love-hate relationship with Neo, so I'm just not getting it. I'm not even swinging it. Yep. Yeah. You think so? Tesla may be making a reversal after split? Well, we'll see. We'll see with the Tesla. All right. Hey, these indices are trying to pop back up. Let's see. Let's see here. What is Tesla doing this morning? The pre-markets, pre-markets, they were going up and then down and then up and then down. Tesla's going to cool off today. I know that. Here we go. Yep. Tesla's cooling off today. It's down 2.6%. Not much. Over the last 5 days, down almost 2%. Last month, still up 57%. Still up, right? I think Tesla's going to have a pullback. And if the CPI doesn't tank the market, I believe Tesla will probably continue to have a rebound. Probably blow right back past 200, leading up into Investors Day. That's what I think about Tesla. You could trade accordingly, okay? I'm not coming out boom, 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 like I was in the last 2 weeks, all right? Good people, I'm going to leave it right there. We're going to see, what do you do? Mr. Beginning. Man, I'm sorry about these notifications. Can we find out, could you guys all just do, and I don't know, man, I can't say anything bad about this platform, because I love YouTube. I want to make sure the YouTube people hear that. We love YouTube, don't we, good people? But, people ain't always getting their notices, and I don't know why. I wish I had something to fix that, but I don't. Trust me, I want you guys to get the notifications, okay? But it just don't. Baidu, I'm just going to kind of be cool on Baidu right now. Though there's money to be made, yeah, it did. It Baidu, look at that. Boom, look at Baidu, up almost 6%. I said it was coming down to 46, and it dropped below 46. Now it's popping back up. But, it's risky right now. Baidu is making money because of AI, really. And it's a Chinese ADR. Remember, I went over that. This is one of the hot plays. We made a lot of money off of Baidu. But you got to be careful because there were 3 more unidentified objects shot down since the balloon, right? And so this could tank based on tension. So be careful with Chinese stock right now. I know some of you, I said it's coming down to 146. Some of you got in. But remember, don't be greedy. If you're in the green, take your profits, take your money and run. Sometimes we just got to learn how to just take it and run, right? That's what we need to do. We just need to learn how to just take it and run. Remember that commercial? Start that car! Start that car! That's what we need to do. Just take off running. I was looking for that, y'all. I was gonna play it for. I didn't have it keyed up, you know. All right. So what else? Yeah, I'm still DCAing. Listen, let's end with this. So here's one of the things you can do. Remember, this is not one size fit all. This is one of the things that you can do DCAing. Okay. This is what I'm doing. DCAing. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, but you have to do your own due diligence. You can tell I've said that a time or two. But in your DCA, dollar cost averaging, for those of you that don't know, that simply means to buy the same stock, the same amount every week, 2 weeks, or a month, or however you get paid, right? Because it's the best way to assure the best price when you don't know what's going on, right? But what I'm going to do is number one, there's a couple of things. I keep talking to people when I see you guys out. I saw some people you can continue to dollar cost average. You do that over the next 7 to 10 years, you're going to win, period. Whether the market's going up, whether you see it going down in the future, it doesn't matter. You're going to win over the next 7 to 10 years. It just works. It does. Always have since 1792. Okay. So, but you could also, if you say, hey, I am 100% convinced that we are going into a deeper recession, then you may pause your DCA, but continue to put your money in your trading platforms, right? Which is Webull, all right, and Moomoo, because this is Moomoo Monday. All right, but wherever your trading platform is, right? And then you could stack that. And then if we have a major leg down, then you could pull in. Now, the danger in that is, what if we don't have that major leg down? You have to make that decision. No one can answer that for you. No one has a crystal ball. So don't even ask. No one knows. No one knows. All right. Everybody, including myself, all we could do is guess, right? But you got to have a plan. Or you could continue your DCA dollar cost averaging, right? And then do like I'm going to do, which is double down on my DCA when we have a third leg down, when we pass October lows, right? Remember, June was the low, and then October was the low, and then now we could have a low that's lower than October. So then what you do? That's why I stay cashed up. So not only would I dollar cost average, but if we have a major leg down, remember, I got this cash and I'm going to buy big chunks of everything, and then I'm going to double down on my dollar cost averaging when it tanks. So you choose what's best for you. There is not one size fit all. All right. Okay. All right. Good people. I'm going to leave it right there, and we will talk to you later. Okay. Remember, I'm here to give you guys information. You have to do what's best for you. Here's what I will be doing, regardless of what stock you have right now. I would be taking profits. And don't be greedy. I'm telling you guys, don't be greedy. I can't say that enough. Don't be greedy. Bulls make money. Bears make money. Hogs get slaughtered. If you're in profit, take some profits. Lock in your profits. Because once you lock in your profits, you don't have to sell all of a stock or a crypto. You could just sell a portion. You could sell 25, 30, 50%. Or you can just sell it all if you think the market is getting frothy. When Tesla starts popping past 200, I had a friend ask me, hey, what should I do? What should I do? I was like, bro, I would be taking some profits right now. Yeah. And so that's what I'm going to leave it with, good people. Hey, this is Moomoo Monday. Deposit, download the first link below in the bio. If you're on your phone, click whatever the title of this is, just click the title, drop down, download it. Webull, actually $1, you're getting 12 free stocks. But Moomoo, since this is Moomoo Monday, you can get up to 15 free stock. Okay, deposit $100 in the Moomoo. Okay, just deposit $100 into both. You can't do nothing with a penny, good people. We will see you later today. Live, love, laugh, learn, and earn. See ya.